What's good, my people? Back again with another one. Today is going to be the Vomero black reflective lace swap. Reason being is I just don't like the reflective lace on these. A lot of people might, and they might think I'm a bit crazy to say that I don't like them, but I'm sorry, I just don't like them. That's my only reason. I don't have a proper reason. I just don't like them, which I think is enough of a reason. So on this side, as you can see, the shoe's reflective, lighted up, whatever, with the reflective lace. On this side, it's not reflective, lighting up just yet, and it's going to be changed to this normal plain Nike Air Force 1 lace. This is the reflective lace. So difference in lace is this is just a flat normal pair of Nike laces. This is like a rope 3M lace, which we're just going to get rid of, throw them over there. And yeah, so we'll start off with obviously the bottom. So we'll just thread this bit through right there. I like to just pull it and then make sure I've got the lace tips lined up, then put it through again at the bottom, and then we're going to do the same thing, just grab it so the lace tips hopefully have lined up if it's not stuck. And then yeah, just grab that like that, pull it, and you've got the bottom bit sorted. Then you're gonna go underneath and through, nice and easy, and then again underneath and through. Then on this bit again, underneath, through, and then we're gonna go under again. Now once you've got two crisscrosses, the third bit, it goes through the tongue loop and then through this loop here. Then again through the tongue loop and then through this bit here. Then we've got the next bit, which is here, and then again. So usually I'd just tie the shoe up like this, because that's kind of how I do it, but I do understand this lace is a bit longer. It doesn't look too bad, but I don't really want to do it like that, so I'm just going to do it through the last loop, which is again through the tongue and through the top, and then here again through the tongue, through the top. That's a bit uneven, always done a bit backwards, but we'll sort it out. There we go, and then through the top. There we go. Then now just lace it up. There we go. Honestly, to me, that looks so much better. I think this side just got a bit too much reflecty going on. I just want it a bit plainer, a bit more toned down, even though it's kind of it's not a crazy shoe, but it's a bit of a crazy shoe because it does reflect. But yeah, definitely do prefer this one. Let me know what you prefer in the comments below. Make sure you like, comment, share, hype, all that good stuff. I've also got a review out of this pair, and on foot and all that. So go watch that, support. And yeah, nothing else to say, but take care, my people.